Here's Andrew eating his sweet potato puffs. He really likes them. Hi, messy face. Hi, messy face boy. What are you doing? Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. There's the handsome. There's my handsome boy. Yeah. Can you say hi? Mama. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. And that's Malcolm. Say hi, Malcolm. No snacks for Malcolm right now. Hey, are you feeding Malcolm?